Hey there! So let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We're looking for different ways to access some data in a nested array of objects. The data consists of entities with various keys, each containing an object with entity_ID and device_ID fields. Our goal is to find and return the parent object where the device_ID matches a certain value. It's a common scenario where we need to filter out specific information from a dataset. Now, let's talk about the solution provided. The best approach here is to use the array_find method along with Object.values and sum. This combination allows us to iterate over the entities array and check if any of the nested objects contain a device_ID that matches the desired value, like ABC. Once a match is found, the entire parent object is returned and stored in the res variable. Finally, we log the result to the console for verification. This method provides a clean and efficient way to extract the required data without unnecessary loops or conditionals. To further elaborate on the solution, the entities array is defined within a script tag containing the nested objects with entity_ID and device_ID fields. This structure mirrors the initial dataset provided and serves as the basis for our filtering operation. By organizing the data in this format, we can easily access and manipulate the information using the proposed code snippet. In conclusion, by using a combination of array methods and object manipulation, we can effectively retrieve specific data from a nested array of objects. The provided solution demonstrates a concise and elegant way to handle such tasks, showcasing the power of modern JavaScript functionalities. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!